I got some new shoes from Shoe Pop and I wanted to share them with you guys. So Shoe Pop is basically a website that sells designer items on a budget. Y'all know that on this channel we stay on a budget, and I'm going to show you guys the good things them.
When we do road, me have to wear the good thing then. The good clothes and the good shoes then.
So let's get into the unboxing. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the shoes, let you see what it's giving, let you know how I feel about them, honest opinion, all of that good stuff. I'm also going to tell you how you can get a pair if you are interested, so stick around. Why am I fighting with the box? Alright, so we got the plastic off and we have this box, and inside this box we have another box. So let's take out that box and see. Alright, so this is what we're working with. A nice little box. The box feel expensive, not like top tier quality for the packaging. And this is the brand, as you guys can see. And I got these shoes in a size 38. That's like a US 7 equivalent, Euro 38 and US 7. Yeah, so that's my size. So I got these shoes for myself. So we have a discount code, and I'm going to leave all that in the description so you guys can check that out. It comes with a receipt and a card. This is the card thingy right here. Honestly, when I get these packages, I don't really pay much attention to these things, but if you guys have any interest in these things, it comes with this, because really and truly I just the shoes me I go wear, so why, you know, what all that paper for? But I guess it's for presentation. It also comes with a dust bag, so you know you can store your shoes. If you're going on a little trip, you can just throw your shoes in this bag instead of bringing a box. Like, who travels with a box? It comes wrapped in this paper thingy right here, and then the part that you guys have all been waiting for, drum roll, the shoes. So let's get into the shoes. These are some CD sneakers, and listen, the quality is everything. Like 10 out of 10 for the quality. It comes stuffed, so you know you don't get any form of creases, or you know what, your shoes stay in good form, in good shape. So this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see it. I'll insert a video with both of them, like a close-up, so you guys can get into all the details. So this is the bottom of the shoe. This is the front. Super cute. And by the way, I have a bag to match these shoes perfectly. So me can't wait to rock this, like literally. But this is the front, and this is the inside, as you can see. So at the bottom it says made in Italy. This is the back. The brand is printed on the back as well as here. This is the side view, how the laces look. Another side view. To be honest, I love these. This is the other foot. This is just me taking out the other foot for no reason. But this is how both of them look side by side. It's definitely one-to-one quality, and I would get something else from them. They specialize in shoes, but they also sell clothes, bags, and other accessories. So you guys can definitely check them out. If you are interested in these specific shoes, I'm gonna put the link below in the description, as well as the discount code. I'll also put it on the screen right here, so you guys can use that code to get $10 off. You can reach them on Instagram at shoepop I think listen, I'm going to put it on the screen, but you can reach them on Instagram as well as on WhatsApp, and their website will be linked below as well. As it relates to shipping, their shipping usually takes between 5 to 10 days. I got my package shipped to my US shipping address. So if you're in Jamaica, I do recommend shipping it to a US address as opposed to shipping it directly to Jamaica. So it will take 5 to 10 days to get there, and then after that, you know, your shipping company sends it to you here in Jamaica. So that's for shipping. For payment, they primarily use Zelle. If you don't know how to use Zelle, I am going to put a YouTube video link in the description, and if after watching that video you still don't know how to use Zelle, or for some reason it's not working for you, you can message them whether on Instagram or WhatsApp, and I'm sure they can work out another form of payment for you. I am going to try them on and tell you guys if they are true to size, so you guys can know, you know, your size information, you can get the right size and all of that, because one thing you don't want to be ordering and then it end up small or too big. Because listen, I've never returned anything from Jamaica, and I think they are based in China, so I am sure that would be a hassle. So I would not recommend that. So I'm going to try them on and let you guys know if they are true to size, so you guys can know which size to get. Alright, so I tried them on and they are definitely true to size, and they are super comfortable. So again, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If for whatever reason you experience any issues during your shopping experience, you can definitely contact their customer service on their website. To me, customer service is a big part of shopping, so I wanted to make sure that I give you guys that information. This is actually the end of the video. I believe I covered all the details for you guys. As I said, you can check the description for all the details, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I will respond as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to Shoe Pop for sending me these babies. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my shoes. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for when I post another video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.